Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can use the adjustments on the CapCut or how you can enhance your videos using your adjustment option in your CapCut. So first go to the adjustment option and here you will see the first option is the temperature. So this is the cold side and if you decrease it then it is going to -50 and your video temperature is decreased, and if you increase it then your video temperature is going to be increased. And the second important is the saturation. So if you increase it, it will going to increase the colors of your video. If I just decrease it here, you will see the difference, and if I increase it, this is going to enhance the colors of your videos. So after this, now the next very important is the contrast. So this is the very important. If you increase it, it will going to increase your image or the videos enhancement, and it will also going to increase the colors or the anything like contrast. So this is the very important. You can do it to the, you can increase it to the 10 or 50 or the 20%. So you can also increase the highlights, decrease the shadows. It has the also good effect. And then the next important thing is sharpen. So if you increase it, this will going to sharp your video. And if your video is blur or something like this, then you can must increase the sharpen, and the clarity is also the very important. If you can increase it, it will also going to be good effect on your videos. So I will recommend you to increase it to the 30 to 20%. And if you increase the vintage, this is going to increase the vintage on your videos. So after that, now if I just go back and if I just click on the adjust, now the video is fully adjust. And if I just keep it to the, this is original video, and if I click on the adjust, so now this is the adjusted or the enhanced video. And the next important thing is the HSL. You can also increase some specific color, like you can select the green color and you can enhance, you can select the red color. So here you will see the green color, you can select the green, and if I increase the saturation, then you will see the green color is going to enhance, and the green color is going to more visible. And I can also increase the lightness of the green color. Here you will see the green color lightness has increased. And this is how you can use the HSL, and I hope guys you understand. And if you found this video helpful, so please make sure you like this video because this is all motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.